Hey everyone, so today I'm going to be showing you how to draw a Four Seasons picture like this one that I'm holding up. But before we begin, please remember to like and subscribe to our channel so that you can get notified about more videos like this one. Great, so now that you've liked and subscribed to our channel, here are a few things that you're going to need to make this awesome picture. An A4 white piece of paper or cardboard, masking tape, preferably the thin one, although the thick one will work, you can always just cut it up. An HB pencil for drawing, and then you can also use a 2, 4 or 6B white Tipp-Ex, and your oil pastels. So the first thing you're going to do is you are going to fold the paper into quarters and then tape it down. Now we're going to color in our 4 sections using our oil pastels. You're doing great. So now what we need to do is now you need to take your tissue paper, fold it up into a small square and smudge your oil pastel colors together. Now we need to do the important part and actually draw in our tree using your HB pencil. Now we're going to color in our beautiful tree so that it stands out from our background. We're using a 6B pencil so that the color comes out darker. Using our Tipp-Ex, we are now going to create some simple point flowers on our tree. We are now going to create some texture on our tree by adding a few bumps to the bark so that it doesn't look so smooth. So now for a finishing touch, we're going to use our white oil pastel and draw in a moon underneath our tree. And the final thing you'd need to do is peel the tape off your picture. If it pulls off any of the color, just color it back in and smudge it. And there we have our beautiful Four Seasons picture. Well done, guys, that looks awesome. I hope you had a great time, and remember, even if it doesn't look exactly like mine, it's beautiful.